Hi everyone, I'm here with another layout, and Reese for some reason came to visit me in my scrapbook room, which is something she never does. So I'm going to go ahead and apologize because I have to start and stop a lot. Yes. And she's staring at me right now because she's now on my papers. Right? Yeah. I don't know why she's hanging in here all of a sudden. So she takes over my scrapbooking table, so I can't even scrapbook, although right now she's taking over my desk where my computer's at. Silly girl. Okay, anyway. So at this point, she left. So my background is basil cardstock, and that purple pattern, or purple layer is also basil cardstock. And then this floral print is Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms. And she's back. And I'm trying so hard to work around her. And I'm trying to show you my, but it's too fast, so my before and after. You'll see that in the pictures. It really opened up this side of the house. I have one more of this plant that I'm going to get rid of. They grow too big. I don't like them, so I'm going to get the chainsaw and get rid of it. Maybe see? Yeah. 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 You're silly. So I do apologize for her being in the way. So I end up having to stop the camera and do this off camera, and then I come back to show the finished page. I decided I'm going to put my pictures down first. And I don't do too much embellishing. Two areas, and that is literally it. Sorry. Need my second cup of coffee, I think. Alright, and then those pink banners are cut from the reverse side of that floral pattern. Those puffy stickers, I'm going to use two florals, a pink and a yellow, I think. And they, this is where I'm looking for stuff to use, or what else I want to do. And this is where I stop, and I'll just come back with the finished page. So you're going to see when I'm done, a large butterflies, maybe Home's Garden Party, chipboard stickers, and then small butterflies or Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms. And that comes right here. So that will be it. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.